Oh, hello, hello, greetings, fellow food lovers. Today, Asian style chicken subs, because there's two, and they're there, and look at that, it's filled with like a Asian stir fry vegetable thingies. We got seasoned chicken, we got cheese in there. Who needs Subway when you got this? And it's filled. And the other one, it's also filled. Who would have thought? Beautiful, bam, bam, bunch of chicken, big chunks of everything. Nice little pineapple tea. Pineapple and iced tea. Does that make sense? Ooh. And it seems like it's going to be cool. Alright. Bam. Look at all that goodness in there. And it's filled this deep. It's just in there. Mm-hmm. Delicious. Delicious deliciousness. Let me get some hot sauce actually. Let's try it with that. Oh yeah, sauce time. Don't explode. It's fine. Just a little bit of sauce. Trying it out. I don't see why it wouldn't be good. It's a very flavorful sauce. Very flavorful. I mean, the sauce is the sauce. Yeah. I gotta be careful. So initially, I had some chicken, I had the vegetables, the cheese, I got the bread, and that's what I got into thinking. I could just put everything inside, and then I wasn't so sure, but now that it's there, it's there. Because one thing is, it's gonna be hella messy. Sometimes you get a sub and things start going on the side, but it fits. Most importantly, the bread stays. You thought it would fall on the side, but it stays. The bread cooperates. It knows we need to be ready for the YouTube. And it's a nice, kind of, almost sounded Australian, nice. Very nice bread. Is it a hoagie, do you call it? Or just sub? Part 2. We go all in today. Look at that, it's just filled. That. And it stays. And it stays. I've had more troublesome breads before. This one knows how to behave. So we're saucing it up. The sauce is definitely fits with everything. This is it's not quite a foot long, is it? Like 9 maybe? But still, we got 2 of them. Ooh. And as I've probably mentioned, I don't tend to put cheese with chicken too much, but it works. You need a little cheesiness in there. Make it more, sub-like. Something you'd find in a chain, except in a chain, you wouldn't have that much chicken without it costing you too much money. This is why homemade is best. Look at that, it's filled, inside it's just filled. Between the two, it's like 1.5 breaths. Plus all the vegetables, little cheese in there. Solid, super solid. The hunger eliminator. Ooh. A lot of cheese in that bite. Give me some Swiss. Oh yes. That chicken sub goodness. Ooh. The hunger eliminator did its job. That'll knock a lot of people over. Boom. Not 2 footlongs. Why do I keep saying that? Because it exists in the universe. Footlong. But almost 2 footlongs. Filled. You saw it. It's just packed with mostly meat. The dream. You wish you could have that at a restaurant. The dream. And I'll be sleeping good tonight. Alright. Hope you enjoyed. You're starting to... Hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna go. But I will see you again, because that's what I do.